Aloha and welcome to Upside Down Pilates. Today we'll be doing a level 3 workout with the magic circle. So grab your circle and a mat and let's get to it. Starting with my favorite exercise, hip rolls. Okay, we are going to take our circle and we're going to put it on the outside of our thighs, just above our knees, and you're going to lie down onto your back and bring your arms down by your sides, starting in your nice neutral pelvis. You're just going to have a little pressure to the outside into the circle to help fire up your lateral hip muscles. Deep breath. And now as you exhale, we're going to go through our imprint, squeeze our glutes and hamstrings, and peel our spine off through the center. Deep breath. And now we're going to roll back down, reaching out through the lower back and back into neutral. Good. Again, inhale and exhale into imprint. Hollow the abs, squeeze the glutes and hamstrings, and peel the spine up to one long line. Deep breath and exhale, roll back down and back into neutral. Let's do one more like that. Inhale and exhale, hollow, curl, and peel the spine off from the mat. Take your breath and then roll it down, starting right up at your sternum and sequencing bone by bone by bone through your spine. Now we're going to roll up on one side and down on the other. So inhale, exhale, put pressure to the right side of your spine and roll up on the right side of your spine. Shift your hips over and now roll down on the left side of your spine and go back into neutral. Now to the left. Roll up on the left side of the spine. Shift your hips over and now roll down on the right side of the spine and back into neutral. Again, exhale, roll up, shift over and roll down and back into neutral. And to the left, exhale, roll up, shift over and roll back down. And then back into neutral. Let's go through the center one more time. Exhale, you're going to roll up through the center. Now you're going to stay up there and you're going to press your right hip to the sky and press your knee into the circle, right? And now go to the left, left, and right, and left. 10 sets. This is 3, and left, and a 4, and left, and exhale, and exhale. 7, and 7, and 8, and 8, and 9, and 9. Last set, 10, and 10. Good. Come back to the center, big breath, and now sequence down through the center and back into neutral. Excellent. So we should be a bit warmed up. We're going to move right into hundreds. We're going to have the circle in our hands today, and we're going to bring the legs down and the arms back as we do our hundreds, pulsing on the circle. So start down onto the mat, go into imprint, and bring one leg up at a time with the circle in your hands. Take a big inhale, and now reach forward and reach the circle up over your shins as you extend the legs. Here we go. Inhale and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lower the legs and lift the arms. 4, 5, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 50. 60. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. 70. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. 80. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. 90. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. 100. Good. Bend the knees, reach it forward, and lower down and take a rest. We'll go right into roll-ups. So extend your legs out, and you're going to bring the circle up overhead. Here we go. Nod the chin. Now as you exhale, you're going to fold forward, keeping the circle right up over your head like it's a little halo. Reach out towards your feet. take a breath, and now roll down, hollow the abs, squeeze the glutes, little pressure on the circle, and you're going to roll through the center of your spine. Again, inhale, nod, exhale, start to fold forward, and now peel off. Reach out, inhale, and exhale, roll down. And bring the arms back. And again, nod the chin, exhale, roll it up. Good, reach to the feet, and start to roll back, and roll it down. 4 more. Arms up, nod the chin, and roll. Reach to the feet. Start to curl the pelvis under, sequence down through the spine as the arms come back. Again, nod the chin and start to roll forward. Deep breath as you curl back and sequencing down. 2 more. Nod the chin, scoop the shoulders, roll up. Try keep the circle right over the crown of your head. Hollow the abs, scoop, and roll back down. Good. Last one, please. Nod the chin, scoop the shoulders, and big breath out to round forward. Deep breath, and roll down as you exhale. Fabulous. Okay, moving into one leg circle now. This is going to be fun because we're going to have the circle under the standing leg. A lot of times we do this exercise and we think about the leg that's up in the air, but we're going to focus on the leg that is down on the ground today. So take your circle and you're going to put it roughly about where your Achilles tendon is, and then lie back down. You're going to be in a nice long line. Bend the right knee up, and now reach the right leg up to the sky while you keep a little bit of pressure down on that circle. Here we go. Inhale, cross. Exhale, down and around, out to the side and up. And across, down and around, out to the side and up. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Keep your knees straight. Inhale, exhale. One more. Breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Open it side. Cross it down, around, and up. And again, open it side. Cross it down, around, and up. Breathe in and exhale. Big cross. 2 more. Open. Big cross. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Bend the right knee. And now we'll come up and you're going to change the circle to the other leg. So now take the circle and put it right underneath the right leg, or the leg that's going to be down onto the ground, and then lower yourself down. Again, you're trying to be a neutral pelvis the whole time that you're doing this, and this just emphasizes the hamstrings and your glutes of the standing leg. Bend in. And now reach the left leg up to the sky. Nice pointed toes, nice straight knees. Here we go. Inhale, cross, and exhale. Circle it out. 1. Cross. 2. Cross. 3. Inhale, cross. 4. Last one. Inhale, cross. Now reverse. Open it side. Cross it up. 1. Open it side, cross it up. 2. Open it side, cross it up. 3. Open it side, cross it up. 4. Last one, open it side, cross it up. 5. Good. Bend that leg in and reach it out.